Okay, so we want to finish up with this practice and then we can talk about um, how you can approach your homework for practicing with HTML, creating your recipes, and also how to submit it. Okay, so first up, one thing to notice is also, oh, I want that selected, sorry, is this right here. This is the tab. This still says practice1.html, which is the name of the file. So remember that title tag I was telling you about, that can actually put into here the name of the website or the page, really, okay, which ends up usually being the name of the website. All right, so let's go back. We'll make a change to that, and then we can break this up a little bit more. We can add a little bit more hierarchy, and we can cover those last couple tags that we haven't covered yet. All right, so I'm going to go back to my notepad file. All right, so first off, in talking about that, let's keep it like that. We'll just minimize that. We can go ahead and put that title tag in. So I'm going to go up to here, left bracket, title, and I'll give this a title of real simple, black goose. And that goes in the head tag. Title. All right, now we can break up these paragraphs a little bit more. We can put some line breaks in, and we can also use our strong tag, our bold tag, our emphasis tag, and our italic, and our horizontal rule. All right, so let's go in and break up these paragraphs a little bit. Okay, so to do a line break, it's just the BR tag. So where do we want to put them? I don't know. I'll put one here, BR, and that goes in between the two words. And maybe right here. Let's go here. If you'll have fun, we'll handle the cooking. I don't know, maybe right here. And again, right here. Now, if we get to location, this needs to be broken up a bit more so it's easier to read. So maybe after Seekonk main, we'll do a break. Monday through Friday, Monday through Thursday. Ooh, a little typo there. 11 a.m. Sorry. Let's do a break here. And that should be good. Also, while we're doing this, the H2 I didn't really like. Let's change that to a 3. So it's the scale is a little bit more dramatic. And let's put a horizontal rule. We'll have like a line here, HR. So that'll be just a straight line across the page. And then let's do maybe another one right on top of location and hours. It could be really experimental. We could do 2. That could look cool. And then let's see, the bold tag. Should anything be bold? Let's do black. Let's do it right here. The black goose. Let's make that bold. So that's just visual. And now what's the difference with the strong tag? The strong tag is it's almost like phonetic. It's like a screen reader would come around, and if someone was visually impaired, it would say it differently. So it's really just like a semantic markup, and it's not like a structural markup. Your book talks about the distinction of those two. So structural markups are everything we're kind of doing right now, like H1s, horizontal rules, paragraphs, line breaks. That's all adding structure and hierarchy to the page, where a strong tag, say if I wanted to have a screen reader say, you have fun. All right, so it'll have an inflection to it. I'm just going to write the word strong. It'll visually look like the bold tag, but it's just a little different. So italices, what do we want there? Try to work our way through. I'll do the I tag on the time, why not? And we'll get this one too. And then the emphasis, if we wanted something emphasized. Let's do, we'll handle the cooking. So there'll be an emphasis on that. And these are just decisions I'm making about the look of the page, trying to be as consistent as possible. So that'll be something you want to think about too. So there's a lot of changes we just made, and I think that, yes, it does. It covers all of the tags that you would need to know. So let's go ahead and let's save this. File, save. And then we'll do a save as. And we'll pick that HTML file again. Save. Yes, and let's go back here, refresh. Whew. All right, that looks decent. Could be a few more changes maybe, but that looks pretty good. And that's like quite different than where we were. Those line breaks aren't too bad. Might make a couple other slight changes, but as far as that goes, it's really quite a bit different from where we were a few minutes ago to where we were a minute ago when it was really kind of basic. And you can see how those horizontal rules add a lot to it, okay? Also with the italices and the bold within the paragraphs, the line breaks, it's much easier to read. Okay, so those are some of the things that you'll be wanting to create in your own recipe assignment, which we'll talk about in 1 minute. Okay.